You don't have $5,000. You have someone else's $5,000 to spend.
Yeah.
So it feels more real when you borrow from a friend $20, right? You're like, oh, I got to pay them
It's
person back. I
tangible.
borrowed,
Yeah.
yeah, like I borrowed $20. But imagine we do this every day with a credit card with hundreds of dollars and we don't think twice about it.
For me, having credit card is all about the right mindset. I always looked at it as I owe someone, and I hate owing people.
I use a credit card specifically to gain points, to build my credit, and it does produce some benefits. When you're purchasing something, you get some protections. The other most important thing, I always pay off the entire balance every month. And that is because from the very beginning, I only spend on a credit card what I would have spent anyways from my checking account before that's due. I pay off the whole thing. Because otherwise you could trickle. You get $500 here, $500 there. All of a sudden you're at $6,000 debt.
If you're going to be spending the money anyways, then my mentality and mindset goes, what all I can I get for spending that money? That makes more sense from a credit card standpoint. So I have one credit card I've just had my entire life. And I have another credit card that is more about points for travel. So there is that benefit. So again, do your research. Now, what's very, very important to me is I always keep my credit line pretty low. I know my personality, and that's something I think a lot of people need to know about is what's your personality. I have a pretty addictive personality, so I want to make sure that I stay low, I stay within my guardrails, and I don't want anything to promote me for spending more money than I need. So I always keep that goal and that budget for myself. Again, it's about discipline. And then the last thing I do at all time is I set up autopay. Now, that means you have enough money in your checkings account or the account that you're going to be paying off your credit card to be able to have it set up at autopay. This way, I know that when the credit card amount is due, that I am able to pay off on time and not have to worry about it. Now, this works for me because I limit myself to how much I spend. So I always make sure that my checking has enough to cover it, plus a buffer. So I never have to worry about overdrafting in my checking account either. So again, having credit cards, big responsibilities.
The biggest thing is definitely, like you said, it's the mindset that this is not your money. You have to pay it back. And if you don't, you're going to pay it back in interest. So you borrowed $100 to buy something, and now you have to pay $110 for the same thing you would have just paid $100 for.
Yeah.
And it's hard sometimes to realize that there's a lot more wants in your life than there are needs in your life. And credit card makes it easy for you to get those wants that you want immediately. But if you could just be a little more disciplined to say, I don't have the money right now, I'm going to forego it. Or maybe even, I don't have the money for that right now, I'm going to go for a cheaper option that is going to bring me the similar value, similar excitement. But I just maybe don't have to spend that much money.